Hello everyone. Today's video is regarding GATE exam for computer science. So if you are a BTech student or a MCA student and you are targeting for GATE 2026, then this video suits for you. So I am Sujit Chauhan. I cleared GATE in 2018 with rank of 352. So to I am here to guide you regarding your GATE preparation. So in Google, just type GATE 2025. So mostly here I will first link open the first link which is from IIT Roorkee, GATE 2025. So currently GATE 2026 information is not out. So we need to see this information. We will go through the syllabus and we will go through everything. Mostly the syllabus is same for each year. They make some nominal changes. So this video will inform you or will give you information regarding GATE 2020 GATE Computer Science Examination. So if we go to GATE papers, there are some links here, mock test link and all. So we'll just go to download here. What we need information browser. So from the official website, iitr.ac.in, we are downloading information browser. So this thing I want to tell to my viewers that if you are looking for any exam or anything, just read the information from official website. Do not read from anywhere else because they might read from this browser, they will read this from this browser and they will interpret themselves. So it might be wrong. So yeah, so this is the first page. Like they are just organizing institute. It is the image of organizing institute. Then they are saying list of brochures, highlights. Let's go through the highlights. Yeah, these are the dates. Usually, GATE exam is conducted during February month. So dates of the exam: first, second, 15th, and 16th. So in every branch will have different dates. So computer science exam will be conducted in one of these dates. Would have been conducted in one of these dates. So yeah. So the next thing is GATE 2025 will be conducted as a computer-based test. So yeah, they will have this application to write GATE exam and online application. So you should go for this mock test to prepare for this how to give GATE exam. But before that, you should complete your syllabus. You should revise it multiple times. So the next thing is there will be total of 30 test papers. So we don't need to worry about what are the other test papers and all. We will just focus on computer science. GATE 2025 papers will be in English and entirely of the objective type. So the type of question. The types of question will include multiple choice questions. So here they will give four options and out of the four you need to select one. So we will go through one of the paper from the previous year in the same video. In that you will get to know about this multiple choice question. Second thing is multiple select question. So for one question, multiple options will be correct. So you need to select all of the correct options. Second, and the third thing is numerical answer type question in which just we can see the example like 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So there will be a box there and you need to fill your answer. In MCQ, only one out of four option is correct. You need to mark the correct answer. In MSQs, one or more than one out of four options are correct. And for NAT questions, the answer must be keyed using a virtual keypad. Candidates must use only on-screen virtual calculator provided for their calculation. So the next thing is candidates are allowed to appear for only one or two test papers. Like you can select two at most two subjects. More than two you cannot select. Like let's say you are sitting for computer science gate exam and some another electronics gate exam, then that's allowed. Two test paper combination must be chosen from the given list of yeah. So examination of some test paper may be held in multiple sessions. We don't need to worry about that. Candidate who is currently, yes, this is the important and valid point. Candidate who is currently studying in third or higher year of any undergraduate degree program or has already completed any government approved degree program in engineering, technology, agriculture, science, commerce, arts, humanities is eligible to appear for GATE exam. There is no limit, age limit to appear for GATE exam. Application will be invited, accepted online. So for 2025, this was the website. For 2026, there will be different website, but currently it is not there. Just let's search GATE 2026. So, who will conduct the GATE 2026? IIT Guwahati. Google is saying IIT Guwahati, but I am not seeing any official web page. If we search official website, official website. Uh, no. Yeah, this is not up. So we need to record this info. Candidate who is currently studying in fifth, seventh, and are also eligible MBBS. MBBS people can also give GATE exam. You just need to study about computer science. So these are the keys. You can go through it. Yes. Mode of the examination is a computer-based exam. Paper will be in English. So there will be this software in which you will see test papers. You can go next, back, and everything. I will create a separate video regarding this software, how to use this software to give your exam. But as this GATE exam, coming GATE exam is 1 year ahead from this time, I'll post this video in later time, not sooner. So duration for the exam will be 3 hours. Number of subjects, sections. The first section is general aptitude section. This type of candidate selected subject. And second thing is candidate selected subject. This type of questions, test of abilities, recall, comprehension, application, analysis, and synthesis. So these are the different abilities the candidates have. So this will be tested through your paper, tested through the paper. Once we are going through the question, we'll get to know what are these abilities like recall. This will be like if you are able to recall the thing, comprehension, how your comprehensive understand, have you understood the topic completely? Application, can you apply the topic? Analysis and synthesis, if there is some topic, can you analyze it and can you give the answer? So total 65 questions will be there. 10 for general aptitude, 55 for your selected subject, let's say computer science or any other subject, so total 65. Distribution of marks in all papers except. So CS is not there, so our distribution is here. General aptitude, 15 marks plus. Engineering mathematics, 13 marks plus. 13 marks. And select subject question, 72 marks. And total double star includes engineering mathematics section XE of 15 marks. Okay. So this is the distribution of marks. Mathematics is for 13 marks. Aptitude is for 15 marks. So marking scheme. Marking scheme. Questions carry 1 mark and 2 marks. So yeah. So these questions will carry 65 questions will be there. Few questions will be for 1 mark, few questions will be for 2 marks, and there will be total of 100 marks. So this is the most important section that you should pay most attention here. We are on this negative marking thing. For a wrong answer chosen in MCQ, there will be negative marking. For MSQ and for NAT, there are no negative marking. So yes, this is very important thing. Few people, what they do, they write answer for all the questions in the exam. So you should not do this because there is a negative marking here. So, so if you are 100% correct about the answer, you know that this is the answer in case of MCQ, then only you should fill that answer. So for 1 mark MCQ, 1 by 3 mark will be deducted 0.33. Likewise, for 2 marks, 2 by 3 marks will be deducted 0.66. And there is no negative marking for wrong answer in MSQ and NAT. So this is very important thing that there is no negative marking for MSQ and NAT. So you should solve all the MSQ and NAT questions. No, you should not leave any question here. Yes, so this is another information regarding physically disabled candidate with benchmark disability more than 50% will get some extra time. Less than 40% are compensatory time subject to production of certificate. Yes, if you are a PWD candidate, then I encourage you to go through this document. Now, the main content. So we will quickly go through this brochure as this is a official brochure, and I hope that this will give you insights regarding GATE exam. So you will skip this abbreviation, highlights of GATE 2025. Yes, we have gone through it. We have already gone through it. Pattern of the examination. Yes, this is also done. Introduction. Introduction is a national examination conducted jointly by Indian Institute of all IIT, IISc and IITs will jointly and some government bodies will conduct this exam. Yes, if you qualify for why are you giving GATE exam? If you qualify for this GATE exam, you can go for master's program and direct PhD program in engineering, technology, and different fields. Doctoral program in arts and science if you give those papers. So yes, this you can go to top institute, number one institute in India like IISc Bangalore or other top institute like IITs and NITs by if you clear this GATE exam. So this is very important exam if you want to excel in your career. Candidate opt to choose two papers. So yeah, this we cannot go through every detail in this brochure as this brochure is very lengthy. So these are some administrative institute given about GATE 2025. These are dates, important dates, pre-examination related information. This is the eligibility. So yeah, this is the important thing. So we'll go through it. Before filling the before filling the application, candidate must ensure that they are eligible for the exam. So if you are studying in a third year or higher years of any undergraduate degree, like BTech or BE or who has already completed any government approved degree, if you are a degree holder, then you can write for the exam. Admission to any institute is fully dependent on admission institute criteria. These are some disclaimer. Some of the professional societies institute which conduct examination in the engineering. So this is the detailed eligibility criteria for GATE 2025. I encourage you to go through this. So mostly if you are in third year, then you can third year of your degree program, then you can sit for this exam. So if you are a MCA student, if you are in first year, then you can sit for the student. I think BCA student cannot give this GATE exam, but yes, MCA first year student can give this GATE exam. So these are the different test papers that were there in GATE. So computer science and information technology, yes, this thing will go through. Second thing is new addition from last few years, data science and artificial intelligence. So this is the second thing related to computer science. So we'll go through this also, computer science and data science. So if you want to make your career in coding and if you want to go for higher studies and you are currently in bachelor's program, then you should sit for this two papers. So yes, we need to see our paper, computer science, distribution of marks, total marks. This is the detailed distribution of marks given. This CS is here. So in CS for general aptitude there are 15 marks. Compulsory section there are 85 marks. Total 100 marks. We'll skip three exams. What are the cities? Application process. Like you go through this link and fill the form and fill the application. And these are some cities where you can sit for the GATE exam. Uh, Tentative list of zone-wise examination cities. So zone one, they have divided this zone uh, by giving this IIT information, and then they have given the cities. Like in Maharashtra, these are different cities. So you should look if your city is there. Get 2025 application fee. How to fill the application. So I'll skip these details. Supporting documents. Admit card. Examination. Examination and related information. Yes. So yes, candidate must can appear for one or two exams of the 30 papers. So here they are saying that a virtual scientific calculator will be available on computer screen during the exam. So remember this, you don't need to buy hard these tables and all. You will get this virtual calculator and yeah, this is the second thing. Personal calculator, any watches you cannot carry. They are providing this calculator. You cannot carry any book, table, loop chart, anything you cannot carry. Scribble pad, if you want to do rough work, they will provide you rough scribble pad. You don't need to carry the scribble pad. Just carry your pen for doing this rough work. And syllabus and mock examination. Yes, we are going through this. Examination duration, as we have already seen, uh, examination duration is 3 hours. You need to go 40 minutes before the scheduled start of the exam. And once if you are 30 more than 30 minutes late from the schedule start, then you will not be allowed to sit in the exam. So remember this point. So again, they have this thing like how are the multiple choice types of questions and what is the marking scheme for each type of question. So they are saying multiple choice question carry 1 or 2 marks each in all papers. These questions are objective in nature and each will have. So this multiple choice question, if you solve it, if you give wrong answer, then you will then 1/3 marks will be deducted for 1 mark question and 2/3 marks will be deducted for 2 mark question. And negative marking, yes, same thing is given here. Multiple select questions. So yes, these are the example of MCQ. So this is the example of MCQ. So here they have given this example. Which institute is organizing GATE 2025 examination? So multiple choice question means you have to select one option out of these four, A, B, C, D. Let's say let's say that someone selects this D option. Uh, Let me find this. Let's say someone select this D option and mark it in the exam. But as we know that which institute is organizing GATE exam? IIT Roorkee. So this D option is wrong. Let's say this question is for 1 mark. Then what will happen? 1/3 mark will be deducted. So let's say from your previous score, your score was 5 marks. Then from your previous answer, then you solve this question wrong. Then your 5 minus 0.33. So what will be your score? 4.67. So this will be your score. I think I have elaborated elaborated on this. What is the if you solve this question incorrectly? This was for 1 mark. And in the second scenario, let's erase this first. Let's erase this first. Then we'll see second scenario. So in the second scenario, if someone select this answer, IIT Roorkee, let's say someone select, and as we know that this organizing institute for GATE 2025 was IIT Roorkee. So for 1 mark question, you will get 1 mark. Previously your mark were 5, now your mark will be 6. So that's it for MCQ type of question. So this thing is there. So that's it for MCQ type of question. Let me erase this from the So the next thing is multiple select questions. So they carry 1 or 2 marks each. Each multiple select question will have choice of 4 answers, out of which one or more choices are correct. So there will be 4 answers given, and there will be more than one option can be correct, or more than one can be correct. There is no negative marking here. This is the positive point. However, there is no partial credit for choosing partially correct combination of choices in single wrong choice. You need to select all of the correct answer. If you select one, if you select few correct answer, then this is not, you will not get marks. So, uh, so here they have given type of MSQ. Which of the following are states in India? So if you see, they have given four options, four options here. So here they have given four options: Uttarakhand, Odisha, West Bengal, and Chennai. So let me use red color, and they are given four options. Let's say uh, here in MCQ, as we all know, you we can select more than we can select more than one answer. So let's say if some students select this one and this one, Uttarakhand and Odisha. So both are states of India. However, as you notice, West Bengal is also a state of India, but the student haven't selected. Now here it is written that no partial credit for choosing partially correct combination. So you need to select all answers. So for this only two options, you will get 0 marks. You need to select all the answers. So this is scenario one. Let's say in scenario two, in second scenario, some student, another student selected Uttarakhand, Odisha, and West Bengal. All the correct answer. He haven't selected Chennai. Then he will get 1 mark. He will get complete mark. Let's say if there is some another student who say that, oh, some of the answers are correct, I will select all the answers. But Chennai is a city, it's not a state. So how much mark will he get? Yes, you are correct. 0 mark. You need to select all the options and you need to select all the correct options. So let me erase all these things from here. Now let's go to next thing. Numerical answer type questions. So numerical answer type questions carry 1 or 2 marks each. For NAT question, the answer is signed real number. Real number, I think you guys are preparing for GATE, so you should know what is real number. So, which must be entered by the candidate using virtual numeric keypad. So it will be provided by this GATE exam organizers. Virtual numeric keypad means the software. In the software, it will be there. Keyboard of the mouse will be disabled. No choices will be shown for this type of questions. So you will not have any choice. The answer can be number such answer can be 10, -10. Answer may be in decimal 10.1, 10.0 and all. The stem of sanity question will indicate the number of decimal places will be specified in the answer. So candidates are advised to round off at the end of the calculation and not the intermediate stages of the calculation. So once you are done with the calculation, then only round off the answer. So yes, there is no negative marking. There is again, this question have no negative marking. There is no partial credit in NAT question. You need to solve the example correctly. So here they have this example. If the wire diameter of a comprehensive helical spring is increased by 2%, the change in spring stiffness in percent is. So you need to write this answer correctly by two decimal places. So this is the example of this. Let's say, let's say correct answer. So I'm not going to solve this and then do this. Let's say correct answer for this is 2.21. 2.21. So you need to write this correct answer. You should not round off. You need to write this correct answer at most to two decimal places. If it is 2.215, then you should write 2.215. And if it's more than three decimal places, then yes, you can do round off. Let's say the answer is 2.2156. So this fourth number is greater than or equal to 5. So you can increase this number. Answer will be 2.116. So I encourage you guys to read this carefully and solve your question paper correctly. So the next important thing is mark distribution. Every test paper has 65 questions, out of which 10 questions carrying a total of 15 marks. For general aptitude, there will be 10 questions which will carry 15 marks. And other thing is engineering mathematics, which carry 15 marks, and the subject wise question. So design of questions. So what types of questions will be asked in the GATE exam? So there, in initially we read that there are different types of exam, different types of questions. The first is recall. These are based on facts. Let sunrise in the east. This is a fact. Nobody can change. Principle, formula, laws, or discipline of the paper. Candidates are expected to able to obtain the answer either from the memory of the subject or from one line computation. So these are some by heart type of question. You need to by heart the answer for solving this question. Scoring this Scoring in these questions is very easy. You just need to by heart the answer. But you should be hardworking to know that answer. So during machining, maximum heat is produced in flank face in the. So this is mechanical question. Again, I don't know the answer. Let's say you should by heart this. So if you know the answer, then you will mark correctly. Otherwise, you don't. Second is comprehension. This question will test the candidate understanding on the basics of their field by requiring them to draw simple calculation from fundamental ideas. You need to do calculation and how is your understanding of the subject. So the example is DC motor requires starter in order to. Why DC motor requires starter? There are four options here. Develop a starting torque, comprehends for auxiliary field, limit armature current as starting, provide regenerative braking. So I think the answer is A. So if you understand the subject, understand the basic of your field, then you will be able to answer such type of question. Third type of question is application-based question. In this question, candidates are expected to apply their knowledge either through computation or by logical reasoning. So example is given here, the sequence depth of hydrochloric. So this will be some calculation based questions like if if this is happening, then how will you do that? In computer science also this type of questions will be there, like calculate the memory, calculate this thing and all. So yeah, this type of questions will be there. In operating system they will give some information, and they will say to calculate different things. Fourth type of question is analysis. Yeah, just first read this. The above questions may be mix of single standalone statement, paraphrase type question, combination of option codes, or type question match items type question. So fourth type is analysis and synthesis. In this question, data, diagram, images will be provided to the candidate and require analysis. So you will be given a data and you need to analyze on that data. A synthesis question might require candidate to compare two or more pieces of information. Let's say two information are given about Ramesh and Suresh. You just need to compare this. Another thing is question in category. This would involve candidates being able to recognize unstated assumptions or separating useful information from irrelevant information. The question may be a mix of single standalone statement here. So again, you go through this. For general aptitude, 15 marks, 5 question carrying 1 mark and 5 question carrying 2 marks. 25 questions carrying 1 mark, 30 question carrying 2 marks. For consisting of some MCQ, remaining MSQ and NAT. So this is not useful for us. Just skip this thing. Engineering mathematics is compulsory. Either you are giving in any thing. So this section carries 11 questions carrying up to total of 15 marks. 7 questions carrying 1 mark each and 4 questions carrying 2 marks each. Some are MCQ questions, others may be MSQ or NAT. Post examination. Uh, after the examination, your responses and answer keys, everything is there. So I'll put yes. So now who people who have given this GATE 2025, for them this information is useful. So you can download your answers, you can download answer key, and after some time you will get your rank, finalize the score. How GATE score is calculated? So this is a separate topic. I'll post a separate video on this, how GATE score is calculated. Certificate, assuming who is giving certificates. Yeah, this is very detailed thing. Huh. So this is aerospace engineering. We need to see. We need to go through CSE, computer science. Yes, we are on A. Now, what is there? CH. So alphabetically, C S A B C D E F. Yes, CS. Correct. So this is computer science. Finally, we are on discussing syllabus of the GATE exam. So first section is engineering mathematics, which is compulsory. So the section before this is general aptitude. So general aptitude is common for all the subjects. So I'll create a separate video about general aptitude. Now let's go through this engineering mathematics. So this engineering mathematics will have 4 sections: discrete mathematics, linear algebra, calculus, probability and statistics. Personally, I find linear algebra and probability and statistics are easy topics, and sets and relations, functions, partial orders are easy topic. Graph, connectivity, matching, these are the easy topics. And yes, whole discrete mathematics is easy. Linear algebra is also easy. Calculus, you will find some difficulty here in calculus. And the second thing is probability is also easy peasy. So for the computer science, engineering mathematics is not that much high level. You will have simple questions. So I suggest if you are targeting for GATE 2026, if you are targeting for GATE 2026, then you should just give me a second. Yes. If you are targeting for GATE 2026, then you should devote 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour per day for engineering mathematics. Let me erase this. Second section is digital logic. So personally, I think that this is very simple and simplest subject among all the subjects. Boolean algebra, combination and sequential circuit, minimization, number representation, computer arithmetic. So you should finish this first. This is easily scoreable thing, scoreable section. Third is computer organization and architecture. So this is a bit tough, but in this also you will find some questions which are very easy and which are repetitive questions. If you analyze the question papers of last few years, then you will see that some questions are repetitive. So you can easily score in this. And another thing is, if you are targeting for GATE exam after 1 year, do not leave any subject. Prepare for all the subjects. Target today. Target that from 6 months from today, you should complete whole subjects and then you go for this. Okay, I was bit digress from the topic. So next thing is programming and data structure. So this is very uh, Programming and data structure is very easy, and they will have this programming in C, recursion, arrays, stacks. First time if you are looking at this, then you will think that these are difficult things. But once you start learning from basics, then this programming and data structure seems like common sense. Like there will be some program given, you want to find the output of it, and arrays and stacks, binary search tree, there will be different questions regarding that. The next section is algorithm. Yes, for if you want to write any program, in first you need to write think about the algorithm of the program. So this algorithm section will have the questions regarding how algorithm is created and what are the worst case space complexities, what are the famous algorithms in computer science. And the next section is theory of computation. So this theory of computation will have some automatas and context-free grammars, regular grammars, Turing machine, and undecidability. So again, this is also an easy subject. So you guys must be thinking I am saying every subject is easy. At the end, I will tell you which topics in the which subject I think which are easy. So this theory of computation will also have straightforward questions, and there will be some questions you need to by heart like decidability, undecidability. So yes, the next section is compiler design. So yes, this is difficult. Compiler design is not that much easy. There will be lexical analysis parsing. So I would suggest you finish this in the end. The next is operating systems. Again, this is not easy. This is difficult thing. So system calls, processes, threads, inter-process communication. But if you if you have now if you have started just now for preparing for GATE, you have 1 year from today. So it will not be that much difficult to cover the operating system. I have another video which shows how to study for 6 hours per day. So if you use that video, you will be able to cover most of the syllabus within a year. Next thing is databases. So yeah, before coming to database, operating system is the core of computer science. So if there is a hardware and there is software, so who connects hardware to software? Operating system. So you must learn about operating system. The next section is databases. So databases, where your data gets saved. So these are different models in the databases, how they are get saved, indexing, how it is done, and everything. Every question will be there. The question regarding these topics will be there. Next section is computer network. So again, this is a difficult thing. How internet work? It is based on computer network. If you are sending some message to your friend, then it goes through this computer network. Some protocol will be there, how packets are traversed, and different topics will be there. Yeah, you can see HTTP, email, and everything. Yeah. So again, they have syllabus for different thing here. So I think we can end this video now. So in this video, we have gone through we have looked at structure of GATE exam, and we have gone through syllabus of computer science. Thank you.